Why does your scanner show the P2306 engine code? What does it mean? P2306 is a diagnostic trouble code for the ignition coil C, primary control circuit low. The P3700 engine code indicates a manufacturer-controlled system fault involving ECU communication, idle control, or auxiliary inputs. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil, damaged or corroded wiring, poor electrical connections, blown fuses or bad relays, defective engine computer. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chrysler, Audi, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.